What is E3 error in a washing machine?
Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing a common problem many of us face with our washing machines, the E3 error. This mysterious message may pop up on your machine's screen and leave you wondering what went wrong. But worry not, we'll be breaking it down for you, and helping you understand what it means and how to fix it.
What is the E3 error?
The E3 error is usually an indication of an issue within your washing machine related to motor functioning. It could either mean that the motor is unable to rotate, or there's a problem with the motor tachometer. Essentially, your washing machine is signaling to you that it is having trouble executing its primary function, spinning and washing your clothes.
What causes the E3 error?
There could be several reasons why your washing machine is showing an E3 error. Here are a few possibilities. A blockage or obstruction is preventing the motor from rotating. The motor tachometer, which measures the motor's speed, might be faulty. The motor itself may have malfunctioned. There could be an issue with the wiring connections between the motor and the control board. The control board that governs the operation of the machine could be defective.
How can you fix the E3 error?
Before you call in a technician, there are a few steps you can take to try and resolve the E3 error. 1. Unplug the machine. Sometimes, simply unplugging the machine for a few minutes and plugging it back in can reset the system and resolve the error. 2. Check for blockages. Make sure there are no clothes or foreign objects obstructing the motor drum. 3. Inspect the wiring. If you're comfortable doing so, you can check the wiring connections between the motor and the control board to ensure they're secure. If these steps don't resolve the problem, it's likely time to call a professional technician. The motor, tachometer, or control board may need to be replaced. While the E3 error might seem alarming at first, it's your washing machine's way of telling you it needs some attention. And though it's not the most convenient issue to have, with a bit of knowledge, you can start troubleshooting and get your machine back to its job. As always, when in doubt, it's best to consult with a professional. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and addressing the E3 error on your washing machine. Happy washing!